Well guys, I'm excited to share with you this new folding saw from Woxna. They're made out of Sweden. This is a very high quality folding saw. And I say high quality because they put a lot of attention to detail in this little saw. Something like this would be ideal for when you're backpacking, camping, hiking, even hunting. I mean, sawing through bones, stuff like that. But whether you're doing hardwood, greenwood, softwood, whatever, it doesn't matter. So on here, you've got this little button right here. So you push this button and then this thing folds up and it locks in place. So that locks it. And then when you open it, again, you push the button, open this up and it locks out. So it is locking and there is no wiggle in that at all. So this is a 7-inch blade right here. You got a 9-inch handle. And this is 1.5 millimeters thick, so very, very thin. Has just a little bit of a bend to it, so that's also nice. And this is a stainless steel blade, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or anything like that. Because a lot of us, we're out in the woods a lot, and we don't want to deal with rust. So having that Scanvic stainless steel is really, really nice on here. Now you have 7 teeth per inch on here. So 7 TPI is what they refer it to. And see these see the way that these teeth are, that this is a pull, more of a pull saw. That's where the really cutting happens. It's a 3-phase grind that you can see on there, 3-phase grind. And so the power on this is when you are pulling it. So this handle is made from American walnut. So this Swedish company, they import the walnut from good old USA, and they make it that way. If you wanted to, you could take these handle scales off on these wood handles, but I don't know why you would want to, but if you needed to, you could. So and of course with there's all kinds of ways to sharpen these if it does get dull. You got a little lanyard on the back, nice leather lanyard. If you wanted to put a longer one on here, you could. Now because of the 9-inch handle on here, you can get, if you really needed to, I've got medium to large hands, you could still have a little bit of a kind of flared out thing right there. You can get 2 hands on here if you really needed to. So, but I think for a lot of us, we just grab the tree or limb or whatever it is and go to town. So this works really, really fast, and we're gonna look at this here today. All right, so we're clearing out some property around a campsite down here. And so we'll go ahead and test this out. So again, you can come in pushing it and it's not going to really cut much, okay? But if you need to start that kerf, then you can do that. But the real power is in the pull. And I'm not pulling too hard. And that is a very, very clean cut right there. So we'll go ahead and do some more sawing. Guys, hope this has been helpful for you today, and I'll drop a link for this down below. And if you have other questions or comments or thoughts, please also drop that down below. But thanks so much for your support for us, for our channel, and all that you do for us, and we'll see you on the next video.